Hi guys, so I'm so excited to welcome you guys to my kitchen in my RV. This is going to be the first time I demonstrate how to cook in my RV to you. So welcome to Monique's Food Corner. So today we're going to prepare a pernil, which is a Puerto Rican pork meal, and I'm going to prepare that and marinate it and show you how. So here we go. So ingredients that you're going to need in order to make your pernil. You're going to need a pork shoulder or pork butt. You're going to need some pork cracklings for your mofongo, which I will show you also how to make. You're going to need minced garlic and regular garlic, some lime juice, some oil, any type of oil you like. I prefer olive oil. Some oregano, grounded or regular. You're going to need white vinegar. You're going to need some adobo. You're going to need sofrito, or if not, culantro. And you're going to need a pilong to mash everything up in. Alright, so I'm excited to show you how to marinate this. So, in your pilong, you want to put a little bit of oil at the bottom. You're going to break up your garlic. Okay, so I use about 4 to 5 garlic cloves in there. And once you put it in there, you want to just mash it. Go to town, mash away. Okay. Just smash it all up. So, and then I like to add some minced garlic to that so that I get enough garlic that I need in the smaller spaces. So just a spoonful of garlic minced. Add that to that. And mince that up as well. Smash that in with the regular garlic. Looking like it made a paste. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Alright. After you do that, you want to add some oil. Olive oil, whichever oil you like. Add a little bit of that in there. Put like a tablespoon. And then mash that around. Mash it around. So it's gonna look really, really, really pasty. Sort of like that. I love garlic, so I wish you had smell-o-vision. You can smell this. Amazing. Okay, so now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of white vinegar to it. So, all right. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Let's see, where's my salt? In my cabinet, I put all my seasonings in a Tupperware container, and I put that into cabinet, but I'm not seeing my salt. Because normally my salt is in here. Found it. It was underneath my pepper. So, place this all back in the cabinet. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt. To that. Then I'm going to add some oregano. Then I'm going to add some oregano. Once it's grounded, you want to do like 2 tablespoons of oregano. And then you're going to blend that as well. So blend that all together. You want to form like a paste. Okay? So keep mashing that and blending it. And it smells so good. Okay. After you put that all together, I'm going to add some more. Next you're going to add your sofrito. There we go. And you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of your sofrito. Okay. And next you're going to add the adobo. Okay. And then don't worry, you're going to add a lot of adobo because you have a lot of meat to cover. So don't worry. And then you're going to mix that all together. Held the adobo. Yeah. It's going to create like a paste. You can see that. Okay. Forgot one more added ingredient. I like to use sazon in my pernil. So add some sazon and mix it all around. And mixed. A little more. So that was only a half a packet. Probably just need a whole packet. And mix it all around. Okay, once you're done with that, set it aside. You're going to take your pork. You're going to take a nice little sharp knife. Okay, so take a nice sharp knife, and you're going to stab your pork. Be careful not to cut yourself. Just stab it. You know. You want to make some pockets so that the tenderizer, the meat, can go all down in there. And then I like to add extra garlic cloves, so I'm going to add a couple garlic cloves to that. So I grab like 2 or 3 garlic cloves and add them in there. Because I love garlic. Okay. And then just take the garlic and stick it into the hole. Okay. Pretty big. It's a pretty big garlic clove. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it in half. Cut the stem off. Cut it in half. And I can actually cut this one into thirds. So cut this one again. And then find a hole, stick it in. Find a hole, stick it in. There we go. That one in there. Turn it over. So because I have to go to work today and I don't want to smell like a garlic clove, I'm going to wear gloves. You don't have to, but you can. But we are going to give this piece of meat the best massage it's ever given in its life. So, take your meat, pour your marinade on there. I'll set that aside. Mix it up real good, and get ready. I'm gonna put 1 big tablespoon on there, 2 big tablespoons. I might have a little extra. Rub it around, massage your meat. Take those little holes you made and make sure you push the seasoning into the holes, okay? Massage it real good. And we're just going to marinate this overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to cook it. So I'll show you how to cook it tomorrow. Just marinate it, massage it in. Let's add another spoon of this so we can get them into those holes. Get it all nice and marinated. Stick them in the holes. Take this. Some over here has been missing in this little area. A piece of garlic fall out. Find another hole and stick it in. There you go. There's a little pocket right there. Just grab a little bit, marinate it, and stick it in there. And keep marinating or keep massaging. That's what I want to say. Find all the little holes and crevices in your meat. Make sure it is nice and covered. A little marinade on the bottom there. Scoop that up. Stick it in. Okay. Alright. There we go. So then that's all nice and yummy. Leave that in that container. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. We'll be back. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
and living the dream.